Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we deploy our project on Streamlit. So I have a project, this portal analysis. So I have uploaded my this project on GitHub. So I will show you and teach you how you will deploy your project on Streamlit. So first we will go streamlit.io website. So here you will see this type interface. So on the right side top deploying try free or pro. So click here on free. After clicking on free, I have already signed in. So I see this type interface, and if you click, you will come here first time. So you will sign up here with your GitHub, and then you will come this type interface here. So right side top corner here create tab. So click here and deploy a public app from GitHub. So we will connect with GitHub and select here our repo. So this is my repo hotel analysis and select here branch. So our branch is main and select here also our main file. You will see here all files you have created in your project. So what's your main file of your Streamlit project? So this is my main file house.py. So I have selected this, and then this is the URL. If you want, you can change this, and otherwise you will click here on deploy. So I click on deploy. So it takes some time, and here meanwhile this is my channel coding with Hitesh. Here 50 subscribers completed. So thank you for your support, guys. So our target is 100 subscribers. So please subscribe my channel and like all the videos and drop a comment. So you will see here our project is deployed. So this is my project I have created. So you will see here it's run without any error and without any problem. And and you will also change the name of your project website. So this is the my project. So I show you where. So from here you will change your website name. So just so I have selected this name. It if it's available, then it's so available. If it's not available, then here this name is not available. So I have save changes. So you will see I change my URL name. So it's give me error. So now it's run with new URL. So house analysis.streamlit app. If you want to share your project Streamlit dashboard to anyone, so you will share this link, and then that person see your Streamlit dashboard. So this is the Streamlit tutorial. So thank you everyone. We will meet in the next video with the next topic. Drop a comment and like the video and subscribe my channel.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।